Welcome back to the ISNaD Review tutorial series. Module 03 completes the collection stage. We detect duplicate records and then work through the whole dataset in Browse Records. Duplicates appear because a single article is usually indexed in several databases at once, and PRISMA requires that number to be reported separately. After this module, your dataset is ready to screen. Let us begin. Open ISNaD Review and go into the project whose data we imported in the previous two modules. One article is often indexed in Scopus and Web of Science at once, and PRISMA requires that duplicate count to be reported. Click Import Data in Group 1, Collect. Deduplication is not a separate menu. It is the third step of the Upload, Preview, Deduplicate, and Done wizard. To make the situation concrete, we add one more export, this time from Web of Science. Press Upload and Import. A new import is always added to the existing data, never overwriting it. The Preview step confirms how many records came in, and its first 10 rows test whether the columns were mapped correctly. Once title, authors, year, journal, and DOI sit where they should, press Continue. On the Find and Remove Duplicates card, press Run Deduplication. The matching is layered. First, an identical DOI, then the same title with the same authors and year. Finally, title similarity above 90% to catch spelling and subtitle differences between databases. The Duplicates Found card counts new duplicates from this run. It can read 0 because every import already checks them. The key point, duplicates are flagged, not deleted, so the trail remains auditable. Press Accept and Continue. The Import Complete screen sums up total imported, duplicates removed, and ready for screening. That duplicates removed figure is what later fills the duplicates box of the PRISMA diagram in Module 08. Now press Browse Records to inspect the data record by record. The table carries number, title, authors, year, journal, DOI, and status. Its search box looks through titles, authors, and DOIs. The filter next to it sorts the data by stage of work. The options are All Records, Included, Excluded, Maybe, Pending for the unscreened, and Duplicates. Let us pick Duplicates. These records are kept out of every later analysis, yet remain stored and remain counted. Back in All Records, the status column uses badges: Imported, Duplicate, Screened, Included, Excluded, and Maybe. After the next module, a seed badge appears as well, marking the records used to train the model. Hover over a row, then click the pencil icon at its right-hand end. The Edit Record Metadata modal opens: title, authors, year, journal, DOI, keywords, URL, and abstract for editing. What most often gets patched is a missing abstract, because the screening model reads abstracts, not titles alone. Since this record is already correct, we close it with Cancel. The red button in the toolbar deletes every record currently in view, following the active filter and search. A deleted record does not vanish straight away. It moves to trash. Here, records can be restored one by one or all at once, and are only lost for good if you empty it yourself. At this point, the dataset is complete, free of duplicate records and ready for the screening stage. Your dataset is now clean, checked, and fully traceable. In the next module, we move into the screening stage, starting with prior knowledge, training the model with your own seed decisions. See you there.